Okay, so our line got stuck in the tree there. Here, wiggle it, wiggle it. Show where stuck. Stuck in the branch, so I gotta go get it. I'm gonna try to get it. I don't even know if this is safe. Oh God, branches everywhere. Is it out? Try wiggling it. Is it out?
No, it's stuck.
You gotta be kidding me. You know what? I'm gonna get a stick. Anything? Did it work at all?
No.
Oh man, I don't want to have to cut it.
Jump on the branch.
Oh, I can't. Whoa! My eye! My eye! This is not fun. Okay, I can see it.
Okay.
Oh, I see it here. It's right. It's this one. Let go of it. Wait, I got it off a little bit. Reel it, reel it. It might work. Oh, oh. Second experience today. Check it out. There's like 10 of them up there, so it wasn't our first time here, right? Actually, it was our first time, but there's some other people that doing it, and so we got to get this bad boy out.
Okay.
It might fling. I'm actually pretty scared. Oh God.
Okay. We get it?
Yeah. Okay, guys. So it's getting a little later, and we're desperate for some fish. We do not have anything.